Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the lives and works of famous writers. And in this video, we are going to discuss Amrita Pritam. Introduction. Amrita Pritam, 1919 to 2005, was a pioneering Indian writer and poet, recognized as the first prominent woman Punjabi poet, novelist and essayist. Her works, celebrated equally in India and Pakistan, have left an indelible mark on Punjabi literature. With over 100 works spanning poetry, novels, essays and autobiographies, Pritam's legacy is one of profound cultural significance. Early life and background. Amrita Pritam was born as Amrit Kaur on August 31, 1919 in Gujranwala, Punjab, now in Pakistan. She was the only child of Kartar Singh Hitkari, a scholar and editor, and Raj Bibi, a school teacher. The early loss of her mother profoundly affected her, leading her to find solace in writing from a very young age. By the age of 17, she had published her first anthology of poetry, Amrit Lehra, Immortal Waves. Literary contributions. Pritam's literary journey began with romantic poetry but evolved into a voice of social critique and feminist thought. Her poem Aj Aakhan Waris Shah Nu, Today I Invoke Waris Shah, written during the partition of India, remains one of her most poignant works, reflecting the anguish of that period. As a novelist, her book Pinjar, The Skeleton, is widely recognized for its powerful portrayal of violence against women during partition. This novel was later adapted into an award-winning film in 2003. Involvement with Progressive Writers Movement. In the 1940s, Pritam became associated with the Progressive Writers Movement, a collective of writers critical of British colonial rule and social injustices. Her work during this period, including the collection Lok Peed, People's Anguish, criticized the British Raj, particularly for the Bengal famine of 1943, highlighting her commitment to social issues. Notable works. Poetry, Amrit Lehra, Immortal Waves, 1936, her first anthology of poems published at the age of 17. Aj Aakhan Waris Shah Nu, Today I Invoke Waris Shah, a poignant poem lamenting the horrors of the partition. Sunehade, Messages, 1956, a long poem that earned her the Sahitya Akademi Award. Novels. Pinjar, The Skeleton, 1950, a powerful novel depicting the violence against women during the partition. It was later adapted into an award-winning film in 2003. Kagaz Te Canvas, The Paper and the Canvas, 1981, a novel that won her the Bharatiya Jananpith Award. Dr. Dev, another notable novel that explores the complexities of human relationships. Streets of Delhi, a novel capturing the essence of life in Delhi. Autobiographies. Rasidi Ticket, Revenue Stamp, 1976, a candid account of her life, love and challenges, offering deep insights into her personal experiences. Kala Gulab, Black Rose, 1968, another autobiography reflecting on her life's journey. Shadows of Words, 2004, a reflection on her life and writing, exploring her inner world and spirituality. Short stories. The Smell of Kerosene, a collection that deals with the harsh realities of life, particularly focusing on women's issues. Stories That Are Not Stories, a collection that highlights her storytelling prowess and deep empathy for her characters. Awards and honors. Amrita Pritam received numerous prestigious awards throughout her illustrious career. making her one of the most celebrated literary figures of her time. Sahitya Akademi Award 1956. Amrita Pritam became the first woman to receive this award for her long poem Sunehde Messages. Bharatiya Jananpith Award 1982. This is one of India's highest literary honours, awarded to her for the novel Kagaz De Canvas. Padma Shri 1969. India's fourth highest civilian award, conferred on her for her contributions to literature. Padma Vibhushan 2004. India's second highest civilian award, recognizing her lifetime achievements in literature. Sahitya Akademi Fellowship 2004. This is the highest literary honor conferred by the Sahitya Akademi, awarded for her overall contribution to Indian literature. Punjab Ratna Award. She was the first recipient of this prestigious award given by the Government of Punjab for her outstanding contribution to literature. International Vepsarov Prize 1979, conferred by the Republic of Bulgaria in recognition of her literary achievements. Officer Dans Ordre des Arts et des Lettres 1987. This honor was bestowed upon her by the Government of France for her contributions to literature. D.Litt Honorary Degrees. Amrita Pritam received honorary degrees from several universities including Delhi University, Jabalpur University and Visva Bharati, recognizing her significant contributions to literature. Personal life and relationships. Pritam's personal life was as unconventional as her writing. Married at a young age to Pritam Singh, she later left him, finding herself drawn to the poet Sahir Ludhianvi, a relationship that profoundly influenced her writing. Later in life, she found companionship in Imroz, a painter and writer with whom she spent over 4 decades. Later life and legacy. In her later years, Pritam continued to write prolifically, delving into themes of spirituality and the human condition. Her autobiography, Rasidi Ticket, Revenue Stamp, provides a candid account of her life, love, and the challenges she faced as a woman and writer. Amrita Pritam passed away on October 31, 2005, but her legacy endures, celebrated in both India and Pakistan. Conclusion. Amrita Pritam's life and work embody the spirit of resilience and creativity. She broke barriers in Punjabi literature and became a voice for the marginalized, especially women. Her works continue to inspire and resonate with readers across generations, making her one of the most significant literary figures of the 20th century. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Amrita Pritam. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other writer. Until then, goodbye and thank you.